Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to set chassis name in AlmaLinux 8 operating system. So chassis, what does a chassis means? In computer terminology, chassis means it will be a server or a desktop or a virtual machine or a laptop, something like that. Okay, so now we are going to see how to set this chassis. So open the terminal, login as a root user. Okay, type the command hostnamectl. You can see the chassis as a virtual machine here, VM. So there are many predefined values for chassis. Use those values. For this, you please refer the man pages of hostnamectl command. There they mention the different types of values for this chassis. So I'm going to set the chassis hostnamectl set chassis desktop. I am giving. See here, it's not accepting capital letter, so give in small letter. Okay, hostnamectl set chassis desktop. So this is the command used to set the chassis. You can see that chassis is set to desktop. You can see icon name also automatically modified to computer desktop. Okay, so chassis name cannot be empty. We can't reset chassis name. So what I am doing, I am putting back the previous value itself. Okay, anyway you can change it. Okay, but it cannot be empty. You can change the chassis value. Okay, so this is the way we can set or change the chassis name in AlmaLinux 8 operating system.